how I saved $1,000 in 30 days, step by step. Saving money always sounds easy until you're staring at your bank account at the end of the month. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how I saved $1,000 in just 30 days without getting a second job. These are real steps anyone can follow. Step 1. Track every dollar. The first thing I did, I tracked every single dollar. I downloaded a free budgeting app called Mint and linked my bank account. For 7 days, I didn't change anything. I just watched where my money was going. That's when I realized I was spending nearly $300 a month on food delivery and random Amazon buys. Seeing it in black and white made it impossible to ignore. Step 2, cut just 3 big expenses. Instead of cutting everything, I focused on just 3 high-impact areas. 1 food delivery gone. I started meal prepping on Sundays. 2 streaming services. I canceled 3 of them. Saved $45 per month. 3 impulse buys. I made a rule. Wait 48 hours before buying anything non-essential. Just from those 3 moves, I saved $400 in the first 2 weeks. Step 3. Sell what you don't use. Next, I went through my closet, kitchen, and garage. I sold an old iPad on Facebook Marketplace, $120. A barely used blender, $40. A designer hoodie I never wore, $60. In 2 days, I made $220 just by decluttering. You'd be shocked how much money is hiding in your house. Step 4, quick side hustles. I also did a few mini side hustles. Signed up for ucertisting.com and did 5 tests, $50. Delivered groceries with Instacart on 2 weekends, $130. Sold a Canva budget template I made using AI, $50. In total, I earned about $230 in extra income without working full-time hours. Step 5, automate and hide your money. Once I started saving, I automated $35 per day into a separate savings account I didn't touch. I called it my Do Not Disturb Fund. Psychologically, if the money's out of sight, it's way easier to keep it safe. So here's the breakdown. Cut expenses, $400. Sold stuff, $220. Side hustles, $230. Daily auto saving, $150. $1,000 saved in 30 days. You don't need to be rich to start saving, just intentional. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more real money tips every week. Your future self will thank you.